Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split page into two or three on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, it could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section and just type Google Docs and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, and of course from here you'll have to click at this first link. Make sure it's not an advertisement. You will find, and then you will find yourself here at this page. Of course from here you'll have to click at sign in at the top right corner to log in into your account if you have one, but if you don't have an account you'll have to click at here at sign up for free to create an account. And once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here at this home page or this main screen of the Google Docs website. And of course from here you'll be able to start a new blank document, or just choose and start with one of their templates which is provided by Google Docs and totally free, or you can just go and open some of your recent documents if you have some. I'm going to do that at the moment. I have already here an empty document, and let's just start with that. So we said we would like to split the page into maybe two or three, so we could write like here and here and here at the same time. So now what we would like to do, if we want to do that, we would like go to the format option here at the top options, and of course go to columns, and you can choose if you want to type by just one column or two columns or even three. Of course, let me just choose two here, and you can start writing. Of course, you can go to the other page. So let me just go into that. As you can see, when we go to the health of the page, it's directly gets you into the next line. Of course, if you want to go to the other columns, you can just go here and click add, insert break, and you can just go to column break, and you'll be able to write at the other column. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.